Hi, my name is Zain Villar. I am an AI ambassador for Yandex Ads. Welcome to the Agency Interface Tutorials playlist. In this video, you will find out how to register a new client. A new agency client is registered in Yandex Direct as a Yandex ID organization. Any agency representative can create an ID organization. This way, all placement data is stored within a single organization account instead of individual user accounts. To create a new client account in Yandex Direct, you only need 3 steps. Click Register New Client at the bottom of the My Clients page. Here you can fill out the registration form. Choose the organization name. This name will be displayed in the list on the My Clients page and is limited to 30 characters. Choose currency for settlements with Yandex Direct. Specify the client's email address where they will receive campaign updates. Now, select the type of organization from the list. Finally, specify the client's tax ID. You're all set. Click Register a New Client and a Yandex ID organization will be created. You can change the client's details on the user settings and edit client pages. Discover more tutorials on the agency interface in our channel, and learn more about Yandex Direct at ads.yandex.com/direct.